Hey guys, it's Dale here. In this video I'd like to show you very quickly how you can use volume profile and cumulative delta together for a very nice trade setup. And I'll demonstrate this on a trade I just had on the US dollar Canadian dollar. What you see before you is the Canadian dollar futures 30-minute chart. And if you look at the volume profile here, I have a cumulative volume profile. And it shows how the volumes are distributed throughout the whole week. So this is a weekly volume profile. The most important place in any volume profile is the point of control. That's the place where the heaviest volumes were traded. In this case, the point of control is in here. And it is this heavy volume zone that I was interested in. So that blue line that you see here, that's a level, a resistance level from which I wanted to trade from. It is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone where the point of control was formed. And when you identify this, you want to look for a pullback. You need the price to go back to that point of control level. And at that point, when the price reaches there, you want to look at the cumulative delta. So let me do just that. Let me switch over to the cumulative delta chart and show you how it was developing when the price was in this area near the weekly point of control. So what you see before you, this is a 1-minute price chart, and below that there's the cumulative delta chart. And the level that I have here, that I showed you on the volume profile, is this blue line. So the price was going upwards towards that level. But at the same time, and this is important, the cumulative delta was dropping. And this was telling me that sellers were actually in control. Even though the price was going upwards, sellers were jumping in. Now at this point, I did nothing. I only knew about this divergence, and I was waiting for the price to reach this resistance level. And at this point, I already knew that I really wanted to jump in that trade there because I had that nice divergence between the price and delta. So let me move this forward a bit. This is where the price hit that level. And at the same time, we still have that divergence. Price going upwards, but delta dropping. So the price hit the level. This is the end of the day, and let's take a look at how the price reacted to the level. Let me play it forward a bit. I need to switch the delta to another day like this, and price finally reacted to that level, and at the same time delta was also dropping. So finally the delta and price were in line, because price tends to follow delta. That means that if delta goes down, the price should go down as well. But the important thing which I wanted to show you here was the divergence between price and delta, as the price was rising here towards the level and delta dropping, and that was a confirmation to enter that weekly point of control level, which we identified using the volume profile. Now let me show you how I handled that trade, because I've already quit the trade, and let me show you where. So here we are back at the 30-minute chart. If I forward this a bit, then you can see that this is where the level got hit. This was the reaction to the level, and I quit the trade right here at the first deviation of weekly VWAP up. When the price is trending, like now, it likes to react to the first deviation. Like for example in here, it was above the first deviation, made a pullback to it. The first deviation, that's the gray line, right? And then a reaction. So that's why I quit the trade when the price hit that gray line, the first deviation again, because there could be a reaction to it, and I simply don't want to risk that. Also, there was a little fair value gap here. Price likes to react to that as well. This is the bottom of the fair value gap. So I would say that there was too much risk of this turning against me. So I decided to quit the trade right here. Alright, so this is how you can use the volume profile and cumulative delta in your trading. As you can see, it is very, very simple. First, you just need to identify a heavy volume zone, and then when the price reaches that heavy volume zone, you want to see a divergence on the cumulative delta. And that's about it. So I hope you guys liked this quick trade breakdown and the cumulative delta strategy. And if you would like to bring your trading to a new level and trade alongside me and other prop firm funded traders every day in a live trading room, then head over to my website, which is traderdale.com, and click this button which says FTA. It stands for Funded Trader Academy. And in here, there's a video which you can watch where I'll explain everything about our Funded Trader Academy and how we can help you become a professional prop firm trader in very, very effective way. So that's about that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.